Today we're going to explore 3 incredible AI tools. Whether you're a marketer, storyteller, creator, or educator, these tools are going to blow your mind. These tools are so good that you're going to question the nature of your reality. So let's dive in. First up, we have Creatify.ai. This platform is on a mission to democratize video ads for businesses of all sizes. It's like UGC content on demand. With Creatify, you can go from a single product link or product description to a captivating user-generated style videos in seconds. Just add your product assets, pick your actor, use the AI-generated script, and bam, you have your UGC ad in seconds. Let's watch the AI ad I just created using this tool.
Last semester, I was drowning in PDFs until I found MapThis. It turned complex readings into clear mind maps, literally saving my grades. Go to mapthis.com, see the magic for yourself. Trust me, it's a game changer.
Fun fact, this video got 2K views on TikTok with an account with only 200 followers. So I guess it works. Our next tool is called Infinity.ai. Their company is to get a team of writers to an Academy Award by just using AI actors. It's a bold claim, only time will tell. For now, let's just look at this tool. At the moment, you can see the list of actors and just type the script with the actor names. And this is the AI video we got.
Have you met Digital Samaritan? Dude is like an idea machine and walking ChatGPT for all things tools.
Pretty cool, eh? While the tech is still emerging, I'm incredibly excited to see what storytellers, marketers, and creators are going to do with all these tools. Talk about reduced cost and cost of production. These tools make it super cheap and easy for everyone to start creating video content. Next up, we have this tool called Heygen.com. Heygen brings the magic of AI avatars and voices, but at scale. Using Heygen, you can create your exact clone for video content. Like I'm going to show you my avatar. This video is completely AI generated. How will you rate this on a scale of 10? So you can start creating content at scale by just typing in the script and have your video avatar do all the video recording. This is perfect for training videos, online courses, or even personalized sales videos. Imagine creating an entire 10-part video course just by typing out the curriculum and letting Heygen AI build the rest. Just wow. So are you stoked about the potential of these tools, or are you skeptical? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and what do you think about all these 3 tools, Creatify, Heygen, and Infinity.ai? And make sure to like and subscribe for more content and more AI tools that are shaping the future of marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.